best.
Let me pet you. Like, quit eating for a second.
He just came over here to eat, obviously. He has the best
He's
grass.
fucking ripping in that
His
shit.
ears are really short.
Like, try chewing for a second.
He's getting a mouthful and then I'll chew it. He's so cute. Smelling the grass. Pick some grass.
Look at that.
What?
Fucking corny horse.
You won't let him eat
He
out
is
of your hand.
pregnant. Impregnating all those bitches.
They're already oh my god. Did you see that? That was the scariest thing I ever saw.
You know they're that big?
Well, it's huge! Like,
You want some of that?
no, I don't. It needs to stop.
I'll have some grass. Num num num. You want this buttercup?
Stop trying to impregnate the already pregnant. Like, why is it so big? How does it hide in there? You're awful cute.
I'm fucking hungry too.
Oh, hee. Hello.
Have a buttercup.
Hi.
Hello. Please don't bite me.
Horses don't bite. I don't think. I don't know. Maybe they do. I don't think they do.
Oh, you came over here just to fucking munch down too, did you? Right around those horse turds?
Hey. I got delicious grass.
Those ones have turds around them. They're better, obviously.
No? Nobody wants to eat this delicious grass? I'm afraid. Like, he's jumping that shit like nobody's business.
You don't have to work for that grass.
You're cute. A little horse face. You're cute too. You're all cute. I can't stand up. Ouch. They're coming back for more love. Are these two like the outcasts or something? Because they look different?
The one over there, that's even more of the outcasts.
Aww.
I don't know what the hell that white thing is over there. Looks like a sheep.
It does look like a sheep.
Just because of the way its ears flickered. And the moo cows are way over there. With whatever that, I guess the goats are. Oh, is the grass good? Is it delicious? I hope so. You eat an awful fucking lot of it.
That's all they do is eat, shit, and have sex. I can't believe it. It's like as big as my arm.
Bigger.
No, it wasn't.
It was?
No, I don't think it was.
He's like walking on us.
No, he wasn't.
Yeah, he was.
No, shut up. I don't want to talk about it.
Get flustered by horse penis.
No. Ew. It's too much. What? I didn't need to see that. And they already look pregnant.
So? They can get more pregnant, so why not take advantage?
They can't get more pregnant.
I know, that's why I said why not take advantage.
Because I'm sure they're not enjoying it.
I could get on you and ride, couldn't I? Big old muscly pony thing.
Hi. I have no grass for you.
Oh, he wants it. He wants your hand.
No. I just drilled on myself. Got a little bit too excited over the horse. Horse beef.
On this side of the fence.
How'd that happen? No. Sorry, it wasn't that great of a feed. There's not really a lot of grass on this side of the fence.
Which is weird. There should be none on the other side.
They obviously flung their horse turdies over there.
The one left, he's like, fuck that shit.
He wasn't getting any of the attention, that's why. Is that a cow over there? Oh my god!
They're talking about? Talk again. Nay. Yeah, I heard.
I want the goats, damn it.
Yeah, that horsey ride.